Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Noritama Furikake, a rice seasoning made with egg and nori seaweed. We first introduced this recipe in our Bento cookbook, Simply Bento, a few years ago. This is a popular furikake used often over steamed rice in bento boxes or onigiri rice balls. These are the ingredients. For more information, please visit our website, japanesecooking101.com. First, we cut the nori seaweed into very small pieces using the scissors like that. Next, we are going to prepare the eggs. We are using only the yolks of hard-boiled eggs. Sieve the boiled yolks through a medium mesh strainer like that. In non-stick frying pan, combine the yolks, sugar, and salt. Then cook over low heat until yolks become dry for about 6 to 7 minutes. Stir often, taking care not to let burn, and set aside. Now in a clean non-stick pan, cook katsuobushi bonito flakes and soy sauce over low heat until dry for about 5 minutes, stirring often. Add sesame seeds and cook another minute. Combine all together in a bowl. Add aonori and nori and mix well. Noritama Furikake can be made ahead and kept in the fridge for a couple of weeks and longer if frozen. You can just sprinkle over rice whenever you are ready to use. If you're making healthy bento lunch for your family, give this a try.